All right, with our booties on, our trousers on, it's time to put on our nice Santa Claus jacket. This is one of like the peaks of Santa Claus costume, and you want to make sure the jacket you get looks nice. Make sure that you have white fringe on it. Just don't go for solid red. So we're going to put this on. I'm basically going to put it on like almost any jacket that you normally put on. Do be careful with it though. I mean, depending on the cost, usually the craftsmanship will be pretty good, but you don't necessarily want to test the material. So don't be jamming your elbows through the sleeve holes. You actually may get a rip. So, and basically at this point you want it to hang down right about to the waist over your trousers. Your trousers should not be exposed up underneath. That's wrong. Definitely your jacket is going to flow over your pillow, and oftentimes I'll have zipper buttons. And you're going to make sure this is nice and, see here, look at the belly effect, huh? The jacket really brings it out. And it's going to go down over your pants. That's perfectly normal. Let's definitely make sure that it stays over the pants, and again, like no funky tucks down there. And as soon as it's basically well fitted up over the shoulders, zipped up, you're ready for the next step.